Okay, this is Southern style. Got some hot water cornbread over there and some black eyed peas. I'm gonna say, what am I gonna call this? I'm gonna call this crab quinoa black eyed pea soup. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Let me see. I gotta get a spoon. Let's check this out. I had to get a spoon. I need a smaller spoon. I'm gonna have to get a plastic spoon because I don't see none because everybody got them in their room or somewhere. Okay. Let's see how I can do this. Now, I'll tell y'all how this tastes. See, look at that big old chunk of looking good. And you see the quinoa in there. Look at it. Let me get focused. See all the goodness. Okay. Get some of this. And it's hot. My hot water cornbread. Y'all, this is the best combination ever. Okay. So I'm gonna tell you. Hot water cornbread is just some water. Well, this is hot water cornbread. It's just some water, cornmeal, yellow cornmeal or white, don't matter, and a little salt and pepper. You can put any kind of flavorings in this if you want to. Just a touch of water, just so that it'll have a thick consistency. And you put a little oil in the plate. In the skillet. Let it get hot. And then you spoon some of this in there and pat it down so you can have a nice little patty. See, I like mine a little thick, but I like mine a little crunch too. So I let mine get nice and crunchy. But this is good with any kind of soup or beans or greens. Greens, oh my goodness, is so good with. But, I gotta take me another bite. So, my broth, I soaked my black eyed peas for a whole day, and then I drained it, and I soaked it again, and then I cooked me some quinoa, vegetable quinoa, and because I don't eat meat, so I was trying to figure out the flavor. So therefore, I put some celery in there, some ginger. Oh, I put ginger. I put rosemary, fresh rosemary herb. Let me see if I can find one in here. I put a fresh rosemary herb in here, some leaves. What else? Celery, rosemary, ginger, turmeric. Turmeric so it can give it sort of like a chicken taste to it. Plus, I do it for inflammation and swelling and all of that stuff because it's supposed to be good for you, the turmeric and the ginger. So I put it in almost everything, but not everything. And then I cook the quinoa, put a little salt and pepper in here. What else did I use? I think that was it. Oh, a little garden seasoning I put in here. No salt seasoning, garden seasoning, and that was it basically. And I let it simmer. But I put the quinoa in here because I was like on my plan that I'm on. It has a lot of protein in it, and so I can have some quinoa today, and I can have my beans. However, I ate some crab meat yesterday, and I was like, how would it be with some crab meat, fresh crab meat in my soup, like I peed quinoa soup? So I was like, let me try this. So I just cut open my small crab legs and put broke some in here and let it simmer for a little bit, and it is wonderful. Never thought of this combination before, but ooh, y'all. See, cooking in Rena's crazy kitchen, I just concoct some stuff together, whatever I think or whatever I feel and whatever I have in my kitchen. And believe me, you can make a meal out of this. Okay. So follow Woman's Cave, I tell you, and tell me, if it's some good eating that you're doing and something crazy cooking that you got going on that normally isn't a good combination that people don't even think to put together. I tell you, I always tell people I'm a garbage person. I like putting different stuff together and eat. So, bon appetit. I'll see y'all later.